Hey everyone, Mike here for MyKeyReviews, and in this video I'm going to be showing you one of Filippo Loreti's watches. And before I do that, of course, I'm going to just quickly explain a little bit about their company background. So Filippo Loreti have run some highly successful kickstarting campaigns where they haven't just reached their target, they have completely exceeded it. And the main objective really for this company is to produce these well-designed, highly sophisticated and decent quality watches at a fraction of a cost compared to some other brands. Now, I'm not comparing this of course to something like a Rolex, who really do use the highest materials. Now of course they do have a high markup for their dealers, but they really do use the highest of quality materials. But nevertheless, Filippo Loreti offer decent quality, sophistication and affordable price, and they are very confident about the quality of their watches because all of their watches come with a 10-year warranty. Now let's get unboxing. So it does come in this quite plain box, but obviously this is just the outer packaging, and inside, there we are. Now we're getting to more of a smart design. So the first thing that you get is a little envelope, and inside you get a little welcome card there. So welcome to the Filippo Loreti family, and just a little kind of speech there. And then we have instructions. So this will obviously be relative to the watch that you have, and then on the back it will explain about the 10-year warranty. Also inside you get this nice little Filippo Loreti branded cloth. You can see there, if the light hits it, there we are. Alright, so next up we have the watch. Little shake, and there we have it. Look at that. So this is the Venice Moonphase watch, and it is absolutely wonderful. Like the design of it, personally I'm a huge fan of it. The price of this goes for around £289 when not on offer. As for the materials used, the casing is made from stainless steel, whereas the strap is Italian leather, so it has a really nice feel to it. And they say that the crystal is sapphire crystal. And for the dimensions, the casing is 40mm and the thickness is 9mm, and the movement is a Miyota 6P00. And finally, let's concentrate on the design and the features. So obviously we can see here, this is the gold and blue design. It was my favorite out of them all, that's why I went for it. But if the design is something of interest to you, but the color scheme is not, then well, just go onto their website. They do have other color schemes available that may suit your taste. Anyway, let's take a look on the front here. So around the edges, a nice clean design. There is no numbers or Roman numerals, it's just a line indicating each hour. As for the second hand, there is none. So you know, if that's a deal breaker for you, then obviously you may not want this watch, but you know, for a lot of people, it's not really a big deal. As for the features in the more center of the watch, so at the 12 o'clock position, we have the date dial. At 3 o'clock is the month dial, and 9 o'clock is the day dial. At the 6 o'clock position, you have this really nice moon phase complication. So of course, you know, when you first get the watch, like anything, you'll need to calibrate the whole watch to you know, display the right time, month, etc. And of course the moon phase. But once you've got that, it will accurately show you the moon phase position, which is a really nice feature to have. So on the side here, on the crown, nice little attention to detail. It's like a little kind of star-like pattern, really cool. And if we flip it over, we have an engraving of the Basilica di San Marco. Really nice detail to have. And finally, just want to mention as well, this is a very comfortable watch to wear. Probably helps with the Italian leather. There we are, so it fits on the wrist very nicely. There's no pinching of the watch against my skin as I'm moving around. Really comfortable. And there we have it, everyone. So this is the Venice Moonphase watch from Filippo Loreti. If this is something of interest, go check their website, and hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.